Welcome back guys, welcome to another video of KW Tech official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to show you guys how you can easily stop unwanted new tabs and remove redact malware in Chrome. So let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome, and after that just click on these three horizontal dots and go to more tools and then clear browsing data. After that just follow us and click on clear browsing data, and this will clear all your cookies and cached successfully. So after clearing these we will move to the second step, that is the most effective step. Now go to google.com and type malware bytes, and in the first link click on download, and after that you need to just scroll down a little bit down and click on download free, and your download will start in a moment. Just click on start download, and after that just click on open folder, and this is the installer. Just right click on it and open it, or simply double click it. Now first of all just select the language and press OK, and after that click on agree and install, and after that it will install in a moment, and after that click on finish. Then just open malware byte and just click on scan now button, and after that it will start scanning your computer, and after completing these all steps it will remove all type of malware from your computer. So after clearing that the malware from your PC, this problem will be fixed. I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech Official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.